Hi everyone, it's June. Welcome back to my channel. Do not mind the mess over here. That's my steps. Everything's going up. You like my Christmas tree? I love it. I love Christmas so much. It just makes me so happy. It puts me in such an amazing mood. And yeah, we put up the Christmas tree yesterday. We had so much fun. I actually have a video on it. I don't know if it will be on by the time I publish this video, but if it is, it'll be let's say right up here. Anyway, so today I wanted to do an update on my hair, and yeah, I mean, things look the same. It looks the same. It looks better than it did when we first started. I have some grays over here. The dye that I'm using, what is it called? Herbal tint. I don't feel like it takes care of all the grays like your typical CVS or L'Oreal, whatever it is. L'Oreal Revlon is the one I used to use. Number 20, it was the brown black. I don't feel like the herbal tint really gets to everything. So if you look at my head, I don't know if you could see the grays, but all in all, my hair is doing really well. Now, I am going to start incorporating biotin, the hair, skin, and nails. I think the hair, skin, and nails is supposed to give you like the right amount of biotin, because when I first started taking biotin, so many of you were commenting about don't overdose on the biotin because it can have a reverse effect. It scared the crap out of me. So I was like, let me just stop it all together until I research. And then I didn't research. So here we are. So I think that the hair, skin, and nails gives you the right amount of biotin to take. It's not too much, not too little. So I think I'm going to do that. And one of my subscribers, I don't know who, and I'm sure you're watching this because I know that you are a regular subscriber. You had mentioned, I don't know, maybe it's Shell, mentioned to me about taking vitamin D, that really helps the hair growth. So I have to do some research on that because I just don't want to overload on vitamins and stuff and whatever. So yeah, so this is it. I don't feel like I'm really happy with the hair growth that I've had. My hair is shiny. I can't even tell you how it feels. It just feels alive. It really does. And I've been putting the castor oil just a little bit at night. Like when I do the neem oil, I put some castor oil, and some of that neem oil I just throw in my hair too. So I've been feeling like my hair is so much healthier. Gigi, I straightened my hair and then she curled it and she's like, wow, like your hair is just bouncy. And then it stayed like that for like 3 days. So I don't know if it's because I cut the ends myself. Yeah, I did it myself. Or it's because of the oil. But all I know is when I put it in a bun, like the bun was so shiny. So yeah, I'm very happy about that. So it feels much stronger. I don't feel like there's a lot of hair fall when I'm in the shower. Like I feel like it's a lot less. So that's a plus. So as long as I can get my hair stronger and not come out in the shower, I guess I'm keeping some. I'm keeping more than I used to, because when I used to go into the shower, I can't even tell you the amount of hair that would be in the drain in my hands, just horrible, you know, brushing out or combing out my hair, you know. I mean, you would just see it all over. So I don't see that. So that I think is a plus. Usually after a certain amount of time, I start going through a shedding process where I look in the camera and I'm like, what happened to my hair? But I don't see that. I feel like it stays the same. And you know what? It looks thicker in different light. So I wanted to give you this light. I usually give you my bathroom, right? I'm usually in the bathroom, or usually I'm sitting over here. The lighting is different. So I'm, you know, I'm just showing you guys. I see that it does look thicker. Here in the front is my huge problem. This is very hard to grow out. My hairline looks great, and yeah, so this is it. This is it. Sometimes you're going to have crazy hair growth. Sometimes you're not. I think I'm at the point where it's just maybe at a standstill. A lot of you are growing your hair crazy. A lot of you can't grow your hair, and I'm so sorry. I'm somewhere in the middle. So, but I have to tell you, I'm happy. I'm happy. I know it sounds kind of crazy, right? I'm happy because I was so worse off with my hair. If my hair stays like this, I'm content. I can wear my hair up and you won't be able to see through it. Seriously, I've worn it in a bun. You know, when I wear it half up, half down, you really can't see through it. And that's such a huge accomplishment. It really is. So I thank you. I don't want to say thank God because people get offended, but thank you to the higher up person up there. Did that make sense? Yes, thank you for thank you to Neem, who discovered this Neem, because I want to thank you because this is like the best thing out there. To me it is. I mean, to you it might be castor oil, to another it might be coconut oil. To me it's Neem. And to Neem, I'm thankful. So that is my update on my hair. Yeah, it's this spot that, look, it's that spot. But I tell you, if I tell you when I started, the picture will be right here. The picture's right here. I mean, my hair loss was like, seriously, almost temple to temple. So I did come a long way. And that's it. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, as always, comment down below. Let me know what you are doing for your hair growth. What's working for you? Have you tried the Neem? It's not working. What are you doing? Because if something works for me, but it doesn't work for others, your comments make such a huge difference to other subscribers, because if they're like, well, you know, I tried Neem and it doesn't work for me, but ooh, look what Darlene is saying. Darlene's using this and this one's using this. Maybe I should do that. Your comments actually help other subscribers. And like I said, we're all in this together. 98% of my followers are women with hair loss. So like I said, we're all here to help each other, to lift each other up, to help each other. No drama here. We're sisters, we're here sisters, and we're here to help. All right, I'm just going on and on and on and on. So I'm going to go. That's it. That's it. What do we say about this? What do we say about this? See, wait. Before I show you the boobs and shit. And we'll get another community shot. See, I can put my hair up, and look, guys, it's just a little bit. But you see, when your hair is like this, you can basically just pull the hair from the back, and it can look thicker. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Look. Anyway, guys, I love you all. I hope you have an amazing holiday, whether you celebrate Hanukkah, Christmas, Kwanzaa, anything in the world. I just hope you have an amazing holiday, and just know that I love you and I thank you all. I really do. I thank you all for subscribing to me. I thank you all for supporting me and everything I do. It means so much. And we're approaching, and when I say we are approaching 100,000. Yes, and we couldn't have done it without all of you. Seriously. And I want to thank you. And thank yourselves, because your input helps others. And I know, I keep talking. I know. I gotta stop. I think I need a glass of wine. That's what I need. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.